How to book hotels on Traveler.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book hotels on Traveler.com. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to sign up, and you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below. You'll also find some promo codes and coupon codes that you can apply on your bookings and save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and here we're going to select the stay option. You have some other options as well, like flight and activities. We're going to stay on the stay. This is the hotels option, and here you just simply search for the location you want, right? So for example, if you were to go to Portugal, right, we select our dates and day, how many people we have, and then we hit the search button. Then all of the hotels over there are going to be available over here. Most booked hotels in the last 6 months, star ratings, we can filter them out over here. So these are the hotels that were booked the most in the last 6 months. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. Let's go ahead and choose this room, right? This is called the Epic Sauna Marquise. Right here, they have free Wi-Fi, parking, airport transfer, dining services, and concierge. All of them are available. We've got the deluxe double, the room only, breakfast includes, all of those options, right? So you can select whichever one you want. So breakfast included, non-refundable, all right? We can go ahead and go with this one. Room only, free, fee cancellation over here, free, and room only, non-refundable, best price. You can see right here, have different prices for different types of rooms you want to book. So this is the deluxe double or twin room with all of these options, and this is the full double bed. No meals, no refund, no meals included, but you want the free cancellation. Breakfast included, non-refundable, breakfast included, and free cancellation. So select whichever one you want, fill out this form right here, first name, last name, all of this stuff. Add your payment details. In the payment details, you can add your promo code. You can also add your voucher code over here to reduce the price, which you can find in the description below. So make sure you check that out, and then you're good to go. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.